Greetings, royal family. Welcome back to the channel and thanks for clicking on the video. All right. These two lovebirds, Faith Evans and her husband, Stevie J. I guess a little bit of good news. Faith Evans, her case has been dropped. So Faith Evans seems to be off the hook in her recent felony domestic violence case. And TMZ has reported that she won't be prosecuted for allegedly attacking Stevie J. So the Los Angeles County District Attorney's Office reported to TMZ that they are declining to prosecute the singer because the alleged victim, her husband, declined to testify against her. So Faith was arrested last month after she allegedly got into a heated argument with her husband, Stevie J, in their LA home, which at some point obviously turned violent. So law enforcement sources say that Stevie was the one who called the cops to their home the night of the fight. And he just wanted Faith out of the house, but he never wanted her arrested or prosecuted in the first place. So cops, they had no choice but to arrest Faith for domestic violence because Stevie, he had visible scratches on his face when the officers arrived to the scene. So it was just last year that rumors were circulating that their marriage was in a bit of trouble. There seemed to be some tension between the couple after some TMZ camera guy filmed them. They were leaving the Essence Festival in New Orleans, and they were acting all weird, like, oh, there's problems. We don't have any problems. But there was a little bit of tension. But things seem to be okay between the two of them. Even after this arrest, the couple, they're still together. And Stevie, he recently told the Shade Room that he's not going anywhere. Of course not. Well, if everything is all good, then it's all good. So Faith is not going to jail. Stevie don't want to testify. So I guess they will get back to their regularly scheduled marriage. So bottom line is the case is closed. What do you guys think about Stevie J and Faith? Faith putting pause on him is not a good look. Regardless of the reason, I know people were saying that, Stevie was probably cheating on her, but still keep your hands to yourself. You know what I'm saying? Because things could get ugly. Hopefully the children weren't around, but this is still circulating in the press. I do like the fact that Faith is not saying anything. Stevie was on his IG working out recently, and it looked like he had a shiner. But Faith is not really saying much, and I think it should stay that way. So it seems like the couple is all good, baby. See what I did there? Anyway, drop your comments. Let me know what you think, royal family. Be sure to like the video if you liked it. If you haven't done so already, hit that subscribe button. Make sure you're clicking that notification bell and select all so you don't miss out on any of my uploads. And you could come on over to the royal family and join our discussions. Can't wait to read your comments. I'm signing off for now, but until next time, peace.